I'm Gagajoy. Welcome to Gagajoy's Cooking again. We're still staying in the Valentine mode for the next maybe week or so. Today we're going to be doing something real unusual. It's with the younger group right now, and my granddaughter, this is Haley, she's going to tell you what we're making.
It is a charcuterie board.
Charcuterie board, which is actually just a pretty board, and you add things that you like. It's some's fruit, some's vegetables, and today we decided that we would use candy, Valentine's Day candy and dips and things like that. She has it's my grandson, and she has a little boy that's 7 years old, so this is in honor of him. So go ahead, go to it.
He'll probably be eating it all. The main point of a charcuterie board is it's usually done with cheeses, dips, and pretty much making the whole plate or table or whatever you have completely filled. So you want to make sure that
attractive,
it's completely filled. So that's pretty much what we're going to do. Like I said, usually they have dips or cheeses. So what we did today is we have pudding and peanut butter. So we're going to place those first because we're going to place everything else around it. So you're just going to place things in the middle, over to the side, kind of like this. So that way you have dips or things that you can enjoy with it. So then we just kind of place everything else around it and make it look really pretty. So first what we have is some heart-shaped brownies. We're going to take those and put those in the corner, stack them up. They take a pretty good bit of room, which is what you want. So put some bigger things. Okay, and then where we have dips, we also want to have crackers. So here's some crackers. I can pick them up here. We'll do a little bit at a time. And we're just going to place these around the board and around the dip. What better to go with peanut butter than crackers? Okay. All right. So now we have some Valentine's Day hearts. We're just going to kind of place those around as well, just in little spots. What do you think, Gaga? You gonna eat some of this?
Of course. Especially the
Xander's
gummy bears.
I know Xander was in here trying to steal some earlier, so we had to get those away from him. We're also going to take these hearts, just some gummy hearts. The colors are going to be perfect for Valentine's Day. And who wants cheese for Valentine's Day? That's not what I want. This is exactly what I would want my grandmother to make me, is a board full of candy. Just me personally. We also have some assorted cookies here for Valentine's Day. So we're going to take some to really get the colors popping. Well, it has one stuck on it. And we're going to kind of place those in the corners as well. Stack them up on each other. And you can do your board any way you want. You don't have to do it this way. I did a lot of research, and this seemed to be the most popular way, was to just stack things up. A lot of times when they use the cheese and the different types of meats, they put them in a weird fashion. And so the best thing that we could think of was stacking things on top of each other was the best way to do it. All right, what else we've got? Gaga, we've got some Hershey Kisses. So gonna fill that in. We have got some gummy bears. Put some on this side. Good. Okay, we have got these chocolate sticks. These are usually some of my favorite, and Xander's favorite as well, because he likes to open them with his teeth. Go figure. Just get those on there. All right, we've got some red candies. I'm gonna keep them in the bowl so they don't go everywhere. We've got some peppermint sticks that we are gonna lay out right here. We've got some chocolate covered cherries. They're cordials, cherry cordials. I know you love these.
I do.
They're your favorite. Just gonna place those around there like that. We have got some wafers, some beautiful pink wafers. And we're just gonna stack up here. Get a few more. We've got some peppermints. Of course, if you wanted to unwrap these, you can, but we're in the middle of a pandemic, so we'll just let everybody touch them and get their own. How about that? And we've got some chocolate hearts here that we will just spread out. Trying to cover the whole board as much as we can. All right, and then these are Reese cups. So we've got white chocolate and chocolate. All right, so now with your leftovers, you're kind of just gonna wanna fill in the gaps. So I've got some leftover hearts. So I'm gonna just kind of put them in places here to cover up some of the board that you see, and just kind of make it pretty, but have things in different places as well. So you're getting a little mixture of everything. And they seem to fit in places pretty well. All right, and that's your Valentine's Day charcuterie board.
Say the word again.
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie board.
Charcuterie. Just in case you struggle with it.
Well, actually, and just give we put some napkins out so everybody can walk by and get everything they want.
Mm-hmm. And you can use whatever you want. Any candy is fine. Anything, like I said, the big things you probably want to plate first, so that way you can take the little things and make sure that spaces are covered. And then it's just a big snack plate for anybody to have.
Well, I'm going to try to say charcuterie board. So I'm so happy with this. Well, we've had a wonderful time today with our charcuterie board, and we're going to enjoy it for a little while. So remember to join, subscribe, ring that bell, and have a good week yourself. We'll see you soon.